Okay folks, I just used my tri-square here and came to the long point, the corner of my shelf cap, and ran that line through, and it intersects all the other lines that I've made. So the layout's close, but that brings us to a good point. I hold two tools in my hand that are invaluable in carpentry, shop building, furniture building, whatever the case may be. And the tri-square, 45-degree angles, 90-degree angles, they come in different sizes. Don't have to be real cumbersome with this little guy. But the other tool that I'm holding is a number 2 round lead pencil versus a Carpenter pencil. Carpenter pencils are for framers, right? And we're doing trim work. The advantage of the number 2, it comes to the point, right? Nice small point. And what that small point does, it gives you that real nice fine line. Carpenter pencil, the old fat boy, gives you a heavier line. Which side of the line do we go to, okay? So if you're working with 2x4s and framing, pick up the Carpenter pencil. If you're doing trim work, go with the number 2 lead pencil.